Right. So good evening again. I want to say something to the students. All right. Um, the recordings are for you. So please go it over. You don't need to go through. You could scroll, speed it up, um, go to the important parts. It really helps. It really helps you. All right. If you go through the key points. The homework is also going to help you. Very, very important. Right, to do well in math, because the more you practice, the better you get at it. All right, so um again, I just want to welcome everybody to the most interactive math class online. I take my time, I go through the work. I don't compare, I just ask God for his wisdom to do well. All right, and I know that I do well by his grace. All right, so number 9. These come under the topic equality of matrices. All right, we started it on Saturday night. There's a video out, so you could go look at it if you're not sure. We are moving on with gonna do after this equality. I'm doing this because I've seen it come for exam. All right, so, okay. So again, by God's grace, we're gonna meet on Saturday night. We'll start at 7:30 and we'll go to 8:30. All right. The more practice you get, the better you get at maths. All right. So this one was a little harder than usual. So this is A. And B is -1, 5, 2, and 6. So I'm going to call people and ask them because they want A times B equals C. So I'm just going to multiply it and then I'm going to put what C is. All right, so let's work together. So X, -2, 3, and Y, -1 and 5, 2, and 6. Now, please remember that you're working row by column. All right, so this is a row. So you're going to work with this first row. This is the column. I'm going to work with this first column. All right. So my first question is this. In this first matrix, in matrix A, what is the second number of the first row? What is the second number of the first row? Naomi, what is the second number of the first row in column in matrix A?
So repeat, please.
My question is, what is the second number of the first row in matrix A? First row, second number. What's that number? First row, second number.
3.
What's it? 3. It's 3. Darius? Darius, the question goes to you now.
Yes, sir.
What's in matrix B, what's the first number of the first column?
-1, sir.
-1. Thank you. Okay, so good. Now remember, when we are multiplying row by column. So I'm going to take the first number or element, which is X, and I'm going to multiply it by the first number or element in column 1. So X by -1 is -X. I prefer if you just multiply it in your head one time instead of writing x times -1. Use a calculator, try to work it out immediately. Then the second number is 3. You're multiplying it by the second number in this first column. Sorry, so 3 times 5 is 15. Now, I'm going to take this. I'm moving down. You're not moving this yet. You're only moving the rows. So I completed the rows. These are so I'm going to the next one. All right, so let's go. So I'm going again, -2 times -1, right? The first. So -2 times -1 is 2. I don't need to write -2 times -1. That makes everything messy. Right, so get your calculator at hand so you could put the value one time. And you don't want to take too long by doing that. Then y times 5. Always put the number first. Now, if you have y5, that's okay, it's correct. But in math, we usually try to put the number first. Okay, so now that we did the top and bottom row, we go back up to the top, but we change the column that we were working with. All right, so we just starting again, So the first element or number is x. First element or number in the second column is 2. So it's 2 times x, 3 times 6. And then we go to the next. So first element or number is -2. We're not done, so we're working with that as well. So -2 times 2. If you're not sure, use a calculator. -2 times 2, -4. Y times 6. Y6. I prefer that you put 6y. So this, we cannot add a x and 15. You have to leave it like that. Now, this is equal to, so this is AB. All right, AB. Here we have AB, but AB is equal to C. And so I'm going to put C. C is what? C was 10. B. A. And 14. So I'm looking for, this corresponds with the 10. So I'm going to write that. So -x plus 15 is equality matrix. So it corresponds to the 10. So -x is equal to, take the 15 on the other side, it becomes negative. Divide by -1. So x is equal to 5. Anybody lost? So we know what x is. We know what x is. So if I use 2x plus 18, what is it? What would it correspond to? What would it be equal to? Ezekiel. Ezekiel, what is my 2x plus 18 equal to? What would it be in C?
A.
A, correct. But Ezekiel, do we know what x is equal to? What is x equal to?
5.
5. So that's 2
5.
times 5. So that's 10 plus 18. It's A, which is 28. So A is 28. Now, if I put 2 plus 5y equals B, I wouldn't get any answer because I do not know. That's 2 unknowns. So I'm going to do the other one. So it's negative 4 plus 6y equals to 14. So I'm taking, if I take the 4 onto the other side, it's 4, it becomes positive 4. So I'm dividing throughout by 6. Fourteen and 4 is 18. I'm dividing by 6. So y is equal to 3. Y is 3. All right, so one more. I don't know if I could do it in the corner here. Um, so that one would be the 2 plus 5y equals to B. 2 plus 5y equals B. But we just worked out what y is. So it's 2 plus 5. 5y means 5 times y. And we worked out y to be 3. So 5 threes are 15. So 15 plus 2. So B is equal to 17. Anybody lost? Anybody not sure what I did? Or they satisfied with this? Vion, you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm not hearing you, Vion. You need to log on with your phone and your laptop. 2 things. So if one is buffering, you get the other one. All right. Okay, so we're moving on. All right. There are 2 things that we must do tonight. Oops. So hold on. There are 2 things that we must do tonight, and that is, all right. The first one is to find the determinant of a matrix. All right. And the next thing that we have to do is to find adjoint. And when we know that, we can find the inverse and solve a simultaneous equation. So we're doing it in steps. So let's go. We're going to find take this down. Tonight, I am going to put 2024. You have question 1, 2, and 3, and 2024 to do, please. I will correct it on Saturday night. You have, I'm doing 2024 January. You have questions 1, 2, and 3 to do. And then the next week, Monday, hopefully, we're not ending the class until we complete questions 1, 2, and 3. So if you do it, then it will be easy for me to teach it. because you got the practice, right? And then we'll do 1, 2, 3. Then we have 4 and 5 to do. We'll do 4 and 5, 6 and 7, and 8. Right? We're doing the first 8 questions, and then we do another year. Once you're good with those 8 questions, you're ready. I think you're ready. You could pass the math in January. All right, so let's go. A determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So a 2 by 2 matrix means the matrix has 2 rows and 2 columns. The row always comes first. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. So row coming first. Now, if I have a matrix and I want to find the determinant, it is written like this. Let's call A. So let me start over again. Let's say matrix A is equal to 10, 4, 7, 5. We want to find the determinant. So how do we find the determinant? Now, the determinant is found by multiplying this diagonal first. Now, the name of this diagonal is called, and I'm just going to put it here, the leading diagonal. And the other diagonal, let's put it in a blue color. The 7 and the 4, we call that the non-leading diagonal. Take that down. Now let's start with the leading first. We always start with the leading. So we multiply the numbers of the leading diagonal, MULT for sure, and we subtract it from when we multiply the numbers all right. So let's go. Let's go. Jada, multiply the numbers of the leading diagonal. How much you'll get? Jada. Jada. Kyla, multiply the numbers of the leading diagonal. Kyla, tell me what you get.
Okay.
50. And Shalomi, multiply the numbers of the non-leading diagonals to me. Shalomi, you're multiplying the numbers for the non-leading diagonal.
28.
So that gives us what? 22. So the determinant is equal to 22. Now, that's it. That's how easy this thing is. There's one other note that you're supposed to get. I'll give it in 10 seconds after you finish writing what I just gave you. I'll give you 2 or 3 questions to do and we'll move on. Everybody's finished? All right. So this is an important note. Now, when the determinant is equal to 0, the matrix is called a singular matrix. Very important. All right. The matrix is called a singular matrix. So let's do a few. Number one, the determinant evaluate matrix D is equal to 4 to -3, -1. Go ahead. Put your answers in the chat. You have 10 seconds. How many of us here tonight? We have 9 persons here. I need 9 answers. 9 persons here. I need 9 answers. The determinant. Put your answers in the chat. Any answers yet? Nobody. Nobody yet. Want the determinant? I want people. Somebody. Matthias, somebody. Vion, somebody give me an answer. Garcia, somebody give me an answer quick. I want the determinant. And here we are. Here we are. And your answer is nope. Try again, Garcia. I know why you have that answer, you know. You got fooled. You got tricked. Remember the formula says minus. So Naomi, yours is correct. So we had 3 persons giving the answers, got 1 correct. Jada, Your answer is nope. Try again. Try again. Try again. That's 4. Come on, people. We got 4 answers so far. Keep at it. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. And if you got it wrong, you have to check and do it again. 5. Ezekiel, your answer is correct. It's correct. Very well done. That's 5. Who else? We want the determinant of D. On the determinant of D, and I will go back to the formula. The formula states that we have to multiply the numbers of the leading diagonal, and we're going to subtract it by multiplying the numbers of the non-leading diagonal. All right? So who is going to, come on, people. Come on. I got 5 persons giving me something. Just say you talking? Oh, you're okay. You didn't, you have to try it again. Give me another answer. Jalea, Jada, Kyla, Matthias, Naomi. Well, I think Naomi got it correct.
Yes, sir.
I think you got it correct.
Yeah.
Jada. Oh, come here. Oh, okay. Hold on, Jada. Here it is. I thought you wrote it already, Jada. Shalomi, no. Jada, no. All right, so let's Vion. Vion, I'm waiting on you before I do it. So D, the determinant of D is equal to, this is easy, people. Use a calculator if you're not sure. Darius. So what is the answer, Darius? You have to give me an answer. It's a value. Vion, where's the answer? Jada, no. Jada, but you gave me that before. Vion, your answer is no, not 1. Try again. Garcia, yes, Garcia. Now you have it correct. So people, let's try it. It is 4 times -1 minus -3 times 2. 4 times -1, -1 is -4. -3 times -2 is -6. So that is -4 plus 6. A minus and a minus gives a plus. So your answer is 2. Your answer is 2. So this is not a singular matrix. Let's try another one. Find the determinant of matrix E, 5, 4, -3, -2. Let's try this one. And then we go to finding the adjoint matrix. All right, so most people should get this out. I'm seeing 5 answers already. Let's see. Garcia, correct. Jada, no, Jada, nah. You made a mistake. Almost correct, Jada. Almost. Shalomi, correct. Jalea, correct. Waiting for the others. Hurry up. Ezekiel, correct. Come on, people. Hurry up, hurry up. Vion, hurry up. Naomi, you gave me the answer already? Where's Matthias? Jada, correct. Naomi, correct. Vion, you give me your answer already? For E? Darius, what about you? So, the determinant is 5 times -2 minus -3 times 4. So that's -10 minus -3 times 4 is -12. So that's -10 plus 12. Your answer is 2. One more. Doing one more. Giving you let's see. C is equal. Oh, no. G is equal to 714 to 4. So this is not singular. Because we said to be singular, the the um the determinant must be equal to 0. All right, anybody? You could actually look at it and get the answer, you know. Jalea, your answer is correct, and your reasoning correct. Vion, no. Check it again, Vion. Your leading diagonal, Vion, minus your non-leading, Vion. Do it over, Vion. Try it again. You're almost there. Shalomi, correct. So what does that mean, Shalomi? With that answer, what does it mean? Come on, people, hurry up, hurry up. This one you could do it. It's mental. Come on, you could do it. Kyla, I haven't seen any answer from Kyla.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Um, Garcia, correct. So that means what? You should have put with your answer what it means. Come on, Vion. Try it again. Oh, you tried it again? No, Vion. You made a mistake again. Matthias, yes, correct. So that means what, Matthias? Ezekiel, yes. So what does that mean? So Vion, remember that this is your non-leading diagonal. So you're starting with that. 7 fours are 28 minus your non-leading. 14 by 2, 28. So your answer is 0. So this is singular. All right, Vion? You okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yeah.
Darius, you okay with this?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we are moving on to the final thing. Well, I wouldn't call it. Yeah. Thank you, Garcia. That's right. Yes, it's called a singular matrix. All right, so we're moving on. Moving on. We want an adjoint matrix. So for a 2 by 2 matrix, we want to find the adjoint matrix. Now, this is quite simple. Very simple, just similar to the determinant. All right. So your adjoint matrix, we're given a matrix, given A is equal to 4, 6, 9, and 12. Now, to find the adjoint matrix, we must interchange our leading diagonal. That's the step 1. So you have 2 steps, and that's step 1. So to find, so remember we said this is called the leading diagonal. So to find the adjoint matrix, two steps. 1, interchange the numbers or elements What does that mean? It means that wherever I see 4, I'm going to put 12. And wherever I see the 12, I'm going to put 4. Everybody understands that? I interchange them. Is that okay? Is that okay, people?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we interchange the leading diagonal. That's step 1. We have one more step to go. And the last step, we're going to multiply the non-leading diagonal by, so let me put interchange. So now we're going to this is your non-leading diagonal. Take this down, Vion. Take this down, everybody. by -1. So if this is 9, it becomes -9. And this 6 becomes -6. Now, if this 6 was negative, then it would be positive. So A adjoint is equal to 12 -6 -9 4. So A adjoint is equal to 12. So it's only two simple steps. Interchange, and the other one is to multiply by -1. Everybody okay with this? So we have 3 to do again, and that would be it for tonight. There's one more thing to do, which is the inverse of the determinant. Well, 1 over the determinant is called the inverse. 1 over the determinant is called the inverse. All right, so probably I should just share that with you and give it for homework. So I'll give you 5 questions each. 5 for determinant, 5 for adjoint, and 5 for inverse. So everybody okay with this? Everybody write it down already? I can move on. We just have 5 minutes more. Everybody finished?
So just want to give my 2 minutes again, please.
Sorry?
Can you give me 2 minutes to write it down? Almost on writing it.
Oh, yes.
Or at least 1 minute, yeah.
And also note that I'm recording, so you could go back and look at it again. What I'm doing, we have to use the determinant, we have to use the adjoint, we have to use the inverse to all help us solve a simultaneous equation. And that's it. Done. Finish. Imagine we did a topic in section 2. So short. So by Saturday night, we would be complete with matrices. Hello? By Saturday night, I am going to finish matrices. It's that short. It's that short. Not that it's short, but it didn't it once, ask God for his wisdom. It's very, there are 1 and 2 little things that I'm going to teach you after as we do the past paper questions. But remember, you have 2024 paper 1 and paper 2, well, to do. But I would like questions 1, 2, and 3 of 2024. You need to do that. Have it prepared for me. So when I run through it, bam, run it through in no time. Questions 1, 2, and 3. If you want to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go ahead. But I'm only teaching 1, 2, and 3. And then I do 4 and 5, then 6 and 7, then 8. And then we do another paper. We could probably do the matrix, right? The matrices question has a vectors question. So it means I will have to show you all vectors, hopefully, if I have the time. If I'm only concerned about the first 8 questions. Now you have 10 to do, but I'm only concerned about the first 8. But once you do the first 8, you're good. All right. Let's move on, because my time is limited. All right. So let's try. Find the adjoint matrix. Number 2. Well, let's call it number 1. Number 1A. Number 1A. C is equal to 9, 3 and 2, 4. Find the adjoint, put it in the chat. Put your answers in the chat. How many persons here tonight? All right. There were 10, now there's 8. So 2 persons got knocked off. Now these classes are free. Just to help you. Now, remember for the non-leading diagonal, you're not interchanging, you're only changing the sign. All right, anybody yet? Anybody? Somebody give me an answer, man. I have 8 persons here. I want all 8 persons to give me an answer. Starting with Jada, number 1. Jada, you are correct. Well done, Jada. Take a bow. That's 1. Garcia, you are Garcia, you are correct. You are correct, Garcia. Take a bow. Very good, very good. Very good. All right, Ezekiel trying to get back in. Come on, people, come on. I got 2 answers so far. We want the adjoint matrix. And next person after Garcia is Naomi. Naomi, you are correct. Yeah. Yes, Naomi, you are correct. That's 3. Come on, people. 7 more. 8, no. It's only not, it's 8 of us. So 5 more. So after Naomi, we have Kyla. Kyla, you have to give me 4 numbers in the matrix. 4 numbers in the matrix, Kyla. Ezekiel, you are row 1. All right, he giving me that way. And row 2. You have there's a number in row 1, Ezekiel, that is wrong. Check it. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out without a doubt. Come on, people, hurry up. Vion, Shalomi, Matthias. I think those are the last set of persons. And those who got it wrong, you could try again. So come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, people. I don't have much time left. Ezekiel giving me a try at it again. Uh, Ezekiel, okay, yeah, Ezekiel, that's correct now. Matthias, that's correct. So Shalomi and Vion, come on now, come on, Shalomi and Vion, hurry up. So C adjoint is equal to, come on, people, I don't want to write the answer. I want to get the answer from you all before I... Vion, where's the answer? Shalomi just gave me her answer. No. Shalomi, where's your answer? Vion, where's your answer? All right. I have to. So the leading diagonal, which is 9 and 4, I have to interchange it. So who is this sending the answer here? Boy, Shalomi. No, I didn't see. Wait. Vion is it's 4 numbers, not 1. Oh, you had them close. No, it's a whole. Where's Shalomi's answer? Let me see. Shalomi, you sent your work? So leading diagonal, I have to interchange, so it's now 4 and 9. Now the non-leading diagonal, I'm not moving the 2, I'm just multiplying it by -1. And the 3 by -1. So the answer is 4, -3, -2, and 9. One more, and then inverse, and that's it for tonight. One more. One more. Try everybody to get this one right. I'm going to make it a little difficult. I'm going to make it H is equal to 6, -6, -8, 5, and 7. I want the adjoint, please. H adjoint. H adjoint. Come on. Come on, people. H adjoint. Come on, people. This is the last question for tonight. I wouldn't be able to do the inverse. I will send a video on the inverse. So I am giving homework on the inverse. I will send a video. 1 over the determinant is the inverse. All right, people, come on, the adjoint. Come on, people, the adjoint. Who is first? Who will be first? Who is going first? The adjoint. I know that I would have gotten people mixed up with this one. Don't be mixed up. You are just shifting the leading diagonal. You are not changing the sign. All right. Shalomi, you almost got it. No, 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 you got it. It is correct. It is correct. Take a bow, Shalomi. It is correct. Take a bow. It is correct. All right, it is correct. Shalomi, that's right. That's right. Kyla, you made a small mistake with your 8. You made a small mistake with your 8, Kyla. Matthias, you made a small mistake with your 6. Naomi, you made a small mistake. Just now. No, 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 no. I am the one that made the mistake. Sorry, people. Sorry. 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 I am the one that made the mistake. I am the one who just, Naomi, you are correct. So Shalomi, you made a small mistake. Let me go back to Shalomi. I tricked myself. I am the one that is wrong. Naomi, you are correct. Garcia, you made a mistake with your 6. Jada, you are correct. Let me go back to Matthias, boy. Matthias, let me see what you had sent to me, boy. Matthias, yes, Matthias is correct. Matthias is correct. Shalomi, yes, Shalomi, correct. Yes. I've seen some good things, man. All I know this stuff, man. Where is Darius? Darius got knock off, boy. Ezekiel, let me see where you have, boy. Row 1 and row 2. Yes, Ezekiel, that is correct. That is correct, Garcia. Yes, Garcia, what? Garcia, what is the answer? Kyla, you made a mistake with your interchanging. All right, people. Let me just give you the answer and give you the homework. So, your answer is, remember you're interchanging the leading diagonal, so this becomes 6, and the -6 comes here. All right, you interchange, that's all. But this 5, if I multiply it by -1, it becomes -5. And this -8, if I multiply it by -1, becomes 8. And this is your answer, folks. It is 7, 8, -5, and -6. Hello? So, people, it was nice. And before you leave, I just want to show you this. I'm not giving you any to do. I'm just giving you a note. All right? I'm not giving you anything to do. I'm just giving you a note. So the inverse of a matrix is 1. Let's say the inverse of a matrix is A equals to 1 over the determinant multiply by the adjoint. All right, so take that down, and that's it for tonight. 1 over the determinant by, and the inverse is written like this. All right, so that's it for tonight, folks. So A inverse is 1 over the determinant multiply by your adjoint matrix. All right, folks, that's it for tonight. I will see you all on Saturday night, where we conclude. Look out for the homework. I will send it in the morning. I will send it in the morning. So that's it for tonight, and see you on Saturday night. Bye, everyone.
Nice talk, sir.
Good night.